Hello students, welcome back to class 6. In this video we will continue exercise 3.4. Question number 5. Which of the following numbers are co-prime numbers? First of all, what is the meaning of this co-prime numbers? The numbers, their common factor is 1. It is known as a co-prime numbers. You can see here the number, their common factor is 1. That is a co-prime number. So let's see the example. Number is 3 and 5. Two numbers are there. Factors of 3, 1 and 3, and factors of 5, 1 and 5. So here you can see what is the common. 3 and 5. Factors are 1, 3 and here 1, 5. So that is 1 is common. You can see here in both the numbers the common factor is 1. So these two numbers we can say it is a co-prime numbers. So this is the question. Out of this given examples, which numbers are co-prime numbers we have to find out. So let's see. First one, 18 and 35. First of all, write down the factors of this 18 and 35. All the possible factors you have to write. It is a 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. 18 ones are 18, 9 twos are 18, 6 threes are 18. Then 35. 35 ones are 35 and 5 sevens are 35. So this is all possible factors. Out of the factors you can see 1 is only the common number. So since their common factor is 1, hence the given numbers are co-prime numbers. Second one, 15 and 37. 15 ones are 15 and 3 fives are 15. Then 37 ones are 37. 1 is the common factor, so the given numbers are co-prime numbers. 30 and 45. 30 ones are 15 twos are 30, 10 threes are and 6 fives are. Then 415 ones are 83 fives are. These are the factors. Now this is the number 405. Then how you will get the factors? That is a very big number. So you will think how to get the factors. So you have to start the dividing the given number with 2. From the list number you have to start the division. First you divide given number by 2. But here it is obvious that unit place is odd. So this number is not divisible by 2. Then you can divide it with 3. 415. So divide it with 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 here down. Bring down 1. 3 threes are 9. So what remain here? 2. 2 remain and bring down this 5. So again it is not divisible by 3 because here the 25 is given. 3 8s are 24. Then you will get remainder 1. So it is not divisible by 3. Next 4. 4 you can see here number is 5. Unit place is 5. That is odd number, so you can't divide. Then you can divide it with a 5. You check whether it is possible. Yes. You will get the answer 83 fives are. This way you have to divide all these given numbers like 1 starting from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you will get the all possible factors. What are the common factors? 1 and 5. Since their common factor is other than 1. 1 is there but 5 is also there. Hence the given numbers are not a co-prime. Next 17 and 68. That try yourself. Factors are also very easy. Then 216 and 215. Factors of 216. All possible factors are written here. Then 215. Okay. So you can see their common factor is 1, hence given numbers are co-prime numbers. 81 and 16. Same method is there in all the 5 examples, 6 examples. That first you have to find out the factors and find out which one is a common factor. If common factor is only 1, 1 means not only one number. If it is digit 1, then the numbers will be co-prime numbers. Next, question number 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? Any number is there that is divisible by 5 and 12. So we can guess that number can be divisible by their factors also. So first of all, find out the factors of 5, that is 1 and 5, factors of 12, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Out of both, common factor is 1. Okay, the number that is x, that is divisible by 5 also and divisible by 12 also. So this number must be divisible by the common factors of both this number. But what is the common factor? 1. Obviously that given number will be divisible by 1. Okay, the given two numbers are co-prime. 1 is the common factor, it means these both numbers are co-prime and is also divisible by their product 60. If you will multiply 5 12s are 60, then if number is bigger, then that also can be divisible by 60. So factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 60. So given number is divisible by 5 also. You can see here 5 is coming, here 12 is also there, 5, 12 and product 60. 7.1. A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will that number be divisible? Number is divisible by 12. Here any number is there and that is divisible by 12. So hence it also divisible by its factors like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay. So out of these factors, that number is divisible by 12. So what remains? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So therefore, these are the numbers other than 12 by which the given number is also divisible. Here exercise 3.4 is over. In the next video, we will start with exercise 3.5.